And for himself in this world. Every man must put up a fight. Every woman must fight for what they want in this world. Being soft, being weak, you're going to get ran over. Trust me. Trust and believe. I used to be like that. I used to be the little kid, the teenager that wanted to change the world, that thought I was going to be able to change the world, all the injustices in the world. I wanted to be the one to correct those injustices. But guess what? Guess what? I started to realize that I was not going to be able to do it all by myself. I don't have enough money, enough resources, enough time, enough magnetism to be able to attract people to help me fulfill those goals. So what did I start to do? I started to focus on what I really came here to do. What I really came here to conquer. Not what the world told me I needed to do. Not what the world told me I need to conquer. But what God gave me, the gift, the life purpose. And when I started focusing on that, I realized that I wasn't here to do any of that shit. I'm not here to save none of y'all. I'm not here to lift you up. I'm not here to be motivation for you. I'm here to tell you the truth. Tell you exactly what you need to hear, what you need to know, so you can move forward with your life. You can fulfill your life purpose. But you know what? You know what happened? As I started to grow, as I started to reach these levels, as my mind went to a higher level of intelligence, the people around me, they start saying, damn, he ain't doing what he used to do. He doesn't hold us in high regard like he used to. No, I don't, because I realize my purpose. I realize how powerful I am. I realize how much better I am than y'all. Yeah, I know it hurt. I realize how much better I am than y'all at fulfilling my life purpose. So guess what I'm going to do? Because when I die, can't none of y'all come with me. None of y'all, when I die, none of y'all will be in that casket. None of y'all will willingly jump in that casket and go down in that dirt with me. So I don't live for y'all. Guess what I live for? The reason I came down here. The reason my soul touched down on this earth. The purpose I'm supposed to fulfill. And anybody that's not helping me fulfill my purpose, I X your ass out my life. You gonna help me get there. You gonna help me get rich. You gonna help me get powerful. You gonna help me conquer money. You gonna help me conquer abundance. You gonna help me conquer success. Or you getting the fuck out my life. That's how cold-hearted I am. I'm a cold-hearted motherfucker. Because what I came down here to fulfill, what God sent me down here to fulfill, is much bigger than anything that you idiots can tell me. And I want you to take that same mentality. Get off your ass. Get to that cash. You know you're supposed to be rich. You know you're supposed to be living in 5,000 square foot homes. You know you're supposed to be putting your kids in the best private schools, taking vacations, traveling to Rome, Italy, Paris, France, Monaco. You're supposed to be all over the world making that bag. But you're playing yourself. You're limiting yourself. You know why you're limiting yourself? Because you want to be there for your family. You want to be it's all about family. No, it's all about what you came to earth to do. Your family is just an extension of that. Stop making excuses and get off your ass and get to that bag. Because the next video, I'm going to cuss your ass out. Bye-bye.